we are going to be making an apple oven pancake. It's a rainy day, so I thought it would be a great idea to make something for lunch.
Let's get to it. So the ingredients for the apple oven pancake is apples, sugar, cinnamon, eggs, milk, flour, vanilla, and powdered sugar. The first step is to cut our apples into 1/4-inch chunks. Make sure to be careful when using a knife in the kitchen.
Step is to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to add that into this bowl, and then we are going to add our apples and mix it with a fork until the coating is evenly spread around all of our apples. And then we are going to dump it into our buttered pie plate. Our pancake batter. I've already added our eggs, so I was gonna add the rest of the wet ingredients, which is milk and vanilla. And then I'm gonna add our dry ingredients, which is cinnamon, sugar, and the flour. Let's get blending. Blend the batter for 1 minute until the ingredients are well combined. Before we can add our batter onto the apples, we have to put our apples into the oven for 5 minutes. And carefully pour the batter over the apples I cooked for 5 minutes. Now back in the oven, 400 degrees for 25 minutes. It smells so good. Now for the final step, we're gonna dust a little powdered sugar on top. This is how the apple pancake should look like when you're finished. Amazing. Now it is time for the taste test. Light, fluffy, sweet. I'm really glad it rained today. I cannot stop eating it.